Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing another hairstyling product. But first I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this right here is a hair dryer. It is a 6-in-1 hairstyling tool. I'm going to be taking it out of the box. As you can see, my hair currently is air drying at the moment, so it is a little bit damp. So your air styler comes in a pink box just like this. Take a look. Everything that you need is inside of this box. So if you're a fan of luxurious packaging, then definitely check this one out. It's super nice. So the way that it's packaged, it's actually a good gifting option. So let me take out everything from the box. So it comes with a little bag just like this. It is in the pink color. It does have the name brand right there, ABNER. It even has this carrying handle. Here we have the user manual. So this is going to walk you through your hair styler. It gives you some maintenance tips. It also walks you through each individual attachment. And then you get this in there as well. It's kind of giving you looks of that you could recreate with this hairstyler. And it also gives you how to change the accessories. So I will actually be reviewing that with you. So here we have the zipper. Let's take a look at what's inside. Check it out. All the tools are individually wrapped. It does have this little hook right here. So it is perfect if you are traveling or if you want to just go ahead and hang this to the door, hang it in your bathroom, hang it in the bedroom near your vanity. So I do like that there's a little hook. It does have this little mesh pocket right here in the front. It has another one behind it. This one in the front here does have a zipper. So you could put things like clips, hair ties, any other accessories in here. So I'm going to take out everything from the inside of the bag and then we're going to go ahead and review each one by one. I went ahead and emptied the bag, but take a look. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. It has individual compartments. So once you're done using it, you could simply put it away neatly in this little bag. Okay, so let's go over the accessories. Here we have the curlers. So these actually have arrows in the front. So whether you like your curls going inward or outward, it does have arrows right here. This is going to go ahead and allow you to see the direction that the curl is going to go ahead and go towards. So just be careful when you are using the blow dryer. These do tend to get hot. So just make sure you are not touching them with your bare hands. So this right here is the round brush and it has all these little bristles. It's going to go ahead and brush out your hair as it's styling it, creating that volume, reducing frizz, and it's going to give you that nice blowout look. This right here is the square comb. This is actually going to be used to dry your hair and also straighten it. It's going to reduce any flyaways. It's going to smooth out your hair and help you straighten it. As you can see, it just looks like a regular hairbrush, but it is also another attachment. So this one right here is a little bit bigger than your round brush. This is the oval styling brush. As you can see, it has 360-degree airflow. So this is going to go ahead and get the airflow throughout the whole brush. This is what the top looks like, but this is going to go ahead and help your hair create that nice volume, frizz-free, bouncy hair, giving you that nice blowout. And then if you want to just use this as a typical blow dryer, this is also included. So this is the blow dryer attachment. This is going to go ahead and allow you to blow dry your hair. So here we have the main piece. This is going to be our main player here. This is what's going to take all the attachments. I'm going to show you what the top looks like. So up here is where you will be attaching every single one of the attachments. So depending on whether you're looking to just blow dry your hair, you want to go ahead and curl your hair. If you want to do a blowout, you want those nice curls. If you want just a blowout, you want those wave. This is what you will be using. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the front here. It does have individual heat settings. So it has cool, warm, and hot. Then on this side here, you could change the speed right here. And then here is your on and off switch. Now on the back side here, it does have a lock and unlock. So you're going to go ahead and press down on this when you want to go ahead and release that attachment and then ensure that this is back up once the attachment is put on. Another thing that is included is you do get these clips. This is going to help you separate your hair as you are styling it. So they do include 2 of these little clips. Another thing that's included is this little brush. As you can see, it has little bristles up top and it has like this rake looking mechanism right here. This is going to help you clean out the filter on your hair dryer. So what you want to do, let me give you a closer look. It does have a lock and unlock right here at the bottom. So you want to go ahead and unlock that. And as you can see, this is the filter. So you want to just go ahead and brush that throughout maybe 1 to 2 uses just to keep the filter clean from any dust, any debris, any hair. Just keep it nice and clean. This is going to go ahead and help the longevity of your hairstyling tool. And another thing that is included is a heat protecting glove. So if you are curling your hair, maybe you're using the hair curlers, you might want to use this just to prevent you from attaching it with your hand. These, because they do, like I mentioned, tend to get hot. All right, so let me go ahead and plug it in and let's put it to the test. Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and use the straightener brush. I just want to go ahead and brush through my hair, give it maybe 1 to 2 passes. But to go ahead and attach these, it does have a little arrow up here, and so does the styling tip of whichever attachment you are using. So what you want to do is make sure that you align the two and then press down and just make sure that this is locked. All right, I went ahead and turned it on. You might not be able to hear me throughout this part, but I do want to show you that I'm going to go ahead and use a straightener brush, and I'm going to change the level of the speed. That is at the low setting, it has a mid setting, and it has a high setting. And then also it has 3 different levels for the temperature. So I'm going to put it at the highest setting, which is the hot setting. I do want to show you what just a few passes did. So I did run that brush through my hair, and it did smooth and straighten my hair as it was drying it. As you can see, this is the side that is still damp. It is still, you can still see those waves, but that was the hair straightener brush. So I'm going to separate my hair. I'm going to use this round brush on the back of my hair just to blow dry it. And you want to make sure you align these, and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry with this oval brush. All right, so I went ahead and used the oval brush in some of my hair, and I can honestly say it dried it up very fast. I do like that it has so many bristles, so my hair was not getting tangled up. It was not getting caught up in the brush, so that is definitely a plus, especially if you have longer hair. I love how big this oval brush is, and it is so easy to use. And also another thing that I've noticed is that it is not heavy. It is actually pretty lightweight, so your arm is not getting tired as you are going over your hair. And another great feature that I noticed as I'm using this is the swivel cord. So you are able to go ahead and move the direction of the hairstyler, and it moves along with you. So as I'm getting closer to the front of my hair, I do want to go ahead and use this round brush first. I want to see the way that it styles my hair. I want to see and make sure that my hair does not get caught up in these little bristles. I want to see how easy it is to actually use. And on the right side of my hair, I will actually be using the curlers, because I just want to go ahead and compare the 2 different types of curls that I'll get with the round brush versus the curlers. So as you can see on this side, you get a much nice softer curl. They're like a nice little wave, giving you that blowout look. This was by using the round brush. So on this right side of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and use the curlers now to see the difference and compare the difference between the curls. All right, so I do personally like my curls to face outward. So I am using this one right here. This is just notifying me that the curls are actually going to be facing backwards. Wow, I'm quite impressed on how quickly my hair curled. And not only that, how quickly my hair grasped on to the curler. So you could see it immediately grasped on to the curler, and then it curled my hair. You don't have to leave it on for very long, maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and you get these amazing bouncy curls. So you could already see the difference. This is what the round styler brush did, and this is the individual curlers. I absolutely love it. It's already turning out amazing how simple it is to curl my hair while also drying it. So it's drying it and styling it at the same time. And I forgot to mention, when you're styling your hair, you want to grab about an inch of hair for this. If you grab too much hair, you will notice that the hair styler will not grab all of your hair. So you do want to grab about an inch of hair for it to dry and style accordingly. So I'm going to go ahead and brush out the curls. This is just a preference. This is just two of the many styles that you could actually do while using this hairstyling tool. As you can see on the left-hand side here, I use the round brush, and on the right-hand side, I actually use the curlers. But you could definitely see the difference, but they both added that volume to my hair. It styled my hair, it curled my hair. It just gives you a different style. So whether you're someone that likes to change your styles in between days, or you're someone that's just looking for something different, or maybe you're looking for an all-around hair tool that you could use, then this is definitely a good option. I personally liked how lightweight it was, how easy it was to use. I love the color, and this is one of those tools that you could definitely not miss. If you have this at home, you could do so many. There's such a variety of ways that you could use this and style your hair. So if you're looking for a hair tool for yourself or for a loved one as a gift, then I would definitely recommend this one. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.